Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is a little bit different and way out of what I normally share, but I'm trying to shake things up and share a little bit of everything on this channel. This one is not going to take much of your time during the week, so it is like a part-time side hustle that you can work in between anything else and make a little bit of side money on the side. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, today's job lead is a little bit crazy. The company eCyrano is hiring people to write dating profiles for other people. Now, if you're not very good with dating, you might not know what to say and how to get out there and meet people. So people are hiring this company to draft their dating profiles for them, and that's where you come in. They are looking for writers to write these dating profiles. Now, as far as pay goes, it says fees range anywhere from $78 to $120 per profile that you write. Most writers take on 1 to 2 clients per week. So this is like another, if you're getting paid $120 per profile, another $250 a week that doesn't take up very much of your time. Now, the chances of getting accepted are very good. It says historically, for every 15 people who apply to this job, they take on 1 new writer. So that sounds like very good odds. They're hiring multiple people to do this. So the way you're going to apply, there is no interview for this. You are going to mock up a dating profile that you would write and turn it in, and so they are going to gauge your writing skills. So they're asking you to interview a friend, take notes, and write about 200-word essay. 200 words is not much more than a paragraph or two, and the essay will be about the person you're interviewing, and the other will be about his or her ideal mate. The complete instructions are on this page. They say the secret to a great profile is tell unique stories and illustrate your client's best qualities to make him or her very appealing to the opposite sex. And so what you'll do is you'll interview your friend, you'll upload your profile essay that you wrote, and you'll give them your basic information. Now, you know, I try to research all the companies that I share to verify their validity. I couldn't find much on this company as far as people who had worked for them, but I did find an article written by someone about what they learned from writing other people's online dating profiles for this company. This article was published back September 27th of 2014. So this company has been around for quite a while. I will have this entire article listed below so that you can go read it if you're interested. But they said that they spent 30 to 60 minutes talking with the client, so I don't know if that's going to be through email or over the phone. Just know that if you're writing someone's dating profile, you are going to have to speak to them in some manner. That says focus on important things. Like any writing, don't show detail. The more specific, the better. Don't use adjectives. Write 200 words or less. Double check that your profiles are appealing. It goes through all kinds of different tips. All right, if you had enjoyed this little change of job leads, please let me know down in the comments below. Or if there's anything specific that you're looking for, feel free to leave them too. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And of course, I'll be back really soon with the regular scheduled work from home job leads just for you.